Renowned for its 2,000-year history, Carew Castle evolved from a simple Iron Age fort to a magnificent Elizabethan manor. The original castle was constructed by Gerald de Windsor, a Norman constable in 1100. It was a typical timber and earthwork Norman design. It wasn't until the late 12th century, under the ownership of Sir Nicholas de Carew, that the castle was reconstructed in stone. Influence was drawn from Edwardian design. Drum towers and a great hall were added to portray wealth and power. The castle was built on a limestone bluff above the Milton Haven estuary. In the 15th century, the top part of the estuary was turned into a tidal mill pond. This served Carew Tidal Mill, which today is the only restored tidal mill in Wales. Sir Rhys Thomas remodelled the castle during this period, turning it into a grand Tudor residence. The luxurious manor hosted a legendary great tournament, attended by over 600 knights who competed over 5 days, demonstrating their skills. In 1537, Sir Rhys Thomas was executed by Henry VIII for treason. The lands and castle gifted to him returned to the crown. Sir John Perrot acquired the castle towards the end of the 15th century after being made Lord Deputy of Ireland by Queen Elizabeth I. Sir John was wealthy and known to many as an Elizabethan plutocrat, a type of Old English oligarchy. He reconstructed the north walls to build a range of domestic rooms, a 150-foot gallery, and added mullioned windows that overlooked the mill pond. The castle's defences were destroyed after the English Civil War, and the Carew family finally abandoned it in 1686.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.